All right, so I just received this Sunco lighting, and the way they work is at dusk they turn on, at dawn they turn off. So they have a sensor on them. Those. Let's just take a look at one light. Now, so it's just a basic bulb, and so all we have to do is just put them inside the light, and then tonight they should just turn on automatically. So we're going to try that and see how they work, and we're going to let you guys know. So here's our lights. I'm a little worried about this because I got to put it in here, but these are kind of covered by these things. I'm wondering if I can take them off, and then the infrared will get to it. So let's go ahead and just get this one out of here first. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Look at that. Good. Now I can put it in there without using this top part, which I think I need to do. So let's just go ahead and set that there for right now. All right, so that's where we're going to put it, and then hopefully the sensor will work now, because it won't have this cover on it. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and get one of our bulbs out. All right, I'm just going to get one, and we're just going to screw it in there. I'm going to save these just in case, because these are good LEDs. All right, let's see if we can get this thing in here. Oh, there we go. I need it in my right hand. That should do it, right? So now I've got this one in there. Now I just got to get that one off. And it's the same deal. Just got to unscrew it. And like I said, I'm going to have to cut this. I'm going to have to cut this bush down, I think. Let's hang on to that. Let's get this off of here. There we go. All right, now we got those off. I just got to put the bulb on. All right, I got to go get it. All right, let's get our second bulb. Here we go. I got to crawl back in there. This is the hard part of it right here. Just getting back in. All right, without breaking anything. Oh shit, almost dropped those. All right, so this comes in handy on this thing. All right, so let's just get it in there. And that's really all we have to do. Seems to be going in. And then we could change this a little bit. But I think we want that right about there. I think that's going to work for us. Hopefully this won't impede it. I may have to cut this down a little bit. But let's we'll try it and see if it works. So here's the ladder. And I got to change those bulbs right up there. Hopefully no problems. We'll see. Should be perfect, right? Okay, here goes nothing. Bam. Bam. All right, so these are our outdoor lights, and those spotlights are on this one here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click it. Then we're going to go outside, and we're going to see if they're on. Okay. All right, so I just turned on the lights. As you can see, these are not on, which is good. That means that the sensor's working, and that there's enough light on this really overclouded day for it to work. So tonight, when it gets dusk at about 8:30, we'll come out and look at it. I think we're going to do good with this. I think it's going to work. All right, so it's got dark, and guess what? Ta-da! It's working. It is working. Yes, that is a viable solution. That is definitely hitting the mark right there. Yep. All right, that's the way to do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.